How to apply for Discover It cashback credit card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about applying for the Discover It cashback credit card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the web browser on your mobile device or on your computer and then type in apply for Discover It cashback credit card in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites, but in here you're supposed to click on the initial one that is indicating Discover It cashback credit card, apply in minutes. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the official homepage where you can find the option of apply now that is highlighted in orange color in the middle of the screen as well as in the top right corner of the screen. Just simply click on it and it will direct you to another page filling the basic information about you. So the first thing you have to input is your zip code, followed by the last 4 digits of your social security number, then the correct form of your date of birth. First of all, you have to enter your month and then day and the year. As soon as you do that, click on the continue button that is highlighted in orange color, or you can also skip this step. For that, simply click on the skip this step option. Choose any of the card design according to your preference. And as soon as you do that, simply scroll down and enter your name, followed by the middle name and your last name, your street address, city, state, zip code, your mailing address, and the correct form of your date of birth, your employment status, and your monthly housing or rent payment, housing status, total gross income, either it's yearly or monthly. Also talk about the bank accounts you owned, your correct form of your email address, the primary phone number, and simply scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions. Simply check this box over here and then click on submit that is highlighted in orange color, and then follow the on-screen instructions and go through the process. So this is all about it. This is how you can apply for the Discover It cashback credit card. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.